Ever dreamed of starting a business right in your garage? Today, we're revealing 10 must-have machines on Amazon that can turn your ideas into real profit. From time-saving tools to production powerhouses, these gadgets are perfect for anyone ready to launch their side hustle. Let's jump in and see which machines can skyrocket your business fast.
All the product links are waiting for you in the description. Go take a look.
Meet the WantJoin full automatic cup sealing machine, perfect for busy bubble tea or coffee shops. This machine automatically feeds, seals, and ejects cups, even counting how many you seal each day. It works with 90 or 95 mm paper and plastic cups, including PE, PP, and PC, and can seal heights from 9 to 19 centimeters. Special features let you seal wet cups, adjust speed, and patch if needed, while maintaining a leak-proof seal at up to 500-600 cups per hour. With dual manual and automatic modes, 24/7 operation, and full technical support, it's a complete solution for shops looking to handle high customer flow efficiently. Introducing the WantJoin Commercial Boba Maker, the ultimate solution for bubble tea shops and dessert stores. Its non-stick pot ensures every pearl cooks perfectly without sticking. With intelligent temperature control, cooked pearls stay warm for up to 9 hours, keeping them fresh and chewy. The machine has a large capacity, cooking up to 1 kilogram of pearls, enough for around 40 cups of milk tea. Thanks to stereo circulation heating and a smart exhaust valve, each pearl is evenly cooked, while the 900W high-power design boils pearls faster than other machines. Perfect for restaurants, cafes, or even home kitchens. Meet the Cricut EasyPress 3, the ultimate heat press for crafters. This bundle includes the 2x10-inch heat press and a matching heat press mat. Perfect for large projects like sweatshirts, banners, and blankets. It combines the speed of a heat press with the convenience of an iron, and works seamlessly with the Cricut Heat app for precise time and temperature control up to 400 F. Simply apply gentle pressure and wait for the beep for professional, long-lasting results. Plus, it's fully certified for safety, making it a reliable choice for any crafting project. Introducing the Nelyrho Complete 3 kg Propane Melting Furnace Kit, the all-in-one solution for metal smelting. This kit comes with everything you need: furnace, crucible, ingot mold, tongs, fire brick, regulator, and gloves. With its high-efficiency 30-psi regulator, it heats up fast, perfect for melting gold, silver, copper, aluminum, and more. Built with thick steel walls and heat-insulated lining, it's safe and durable for long-term use. Ideal for hobbyists, jewelry makers, or professional smelters, this portable and easy-to-assemble kit makes starting your metal casting projects quick and hassle-free. Meet the Cricut Mug Press, the ultimate tool for creating custom mugs with just one touch. Transforms 11 16-ounce mug blanks into vibrant, peel-proof, dishwasher-safe designs that last. Perfect for making personalized gifts for friends and family. It works seamlessly with all Cricut cutting machines. The patent-pending heat plate ensures even heating, while the auto-off safety feature gives peace of mind. Safe, reliable, and perfect for crafters looking to add a professional touch to every mug. Unleash your creativity with the Prime Creation Soap Making Kit. This all-in-one set includes soap base, fragrances, dyes, molds, cutters, stirring sticks, and even packaging supplies, giving you everything needed to craft beautiful soaps at home. With 6 fragrances and 6 colors, you can make a different soap every time. It's a fun, relaxing hobby for adults and kids alike, and the included handbook guides you step by step. Perfect for gifting, these handmade soaps wrapped with twine and petals make a personal and memorable present. Check out the leather cutting and embossing machine, perfect for leathercraft and multi-material projects. Comes with a bonus 18-piece metal die set for precise cuts, patterns, and embossing right out of the box. No fuss setup means you can start crafting in minutes. Built from high-quality steel and cast iron with anti-rust coating, it's durable and reliable. With 1-ton cutting force and adjustable pressure stroke, it handles leather, fabric, plastic, rubber, paper, and more. Ideal for both beginners and pros. Plus it comes with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Introducing the Hakka 7LB 3L Sausage Stuffer, a professional-grade vertical sausage maker. Designed with 2-speed operation and an easy-to-use system, it lets you fill sausages quickly and smoothly. Made entirely from stainless steel, including the base, cylinder, tubes, and piston. It's safe and durable for all food contact. Comes with four nozzle sizes ranging from 16mm to 38mm. Perfect for making a variety of sausage styles. Whether for home use or small-scale production, this machine makes sausage stuffing efficient, clean, and hassle-free. Check out the manual leather splitter peeling machine, perfect for DIY leather projects. This set includes the machine, 10 sharp blades, screws, L keys, and a step-by-step instruction manual. Made from stainless steel, it's durable and rust-resistant. The adjustable thickness feature lets you thin leather to your desired level, making it ideal for belts, watch straps, and other leather work. Easy to operate manually, even beginners can quickly learn how to use it. Works best on vegetable tanned or chrome tanned leather up to 8 cm wide, giving you precise control for professional quality results. Introducing the VEVOR 75mm button maker machine, a complete DIY kit for creating custom badges and pins. It comes with everything you need: the pin press, molds, circle cutter, 100 button parts, and even a fun Mr. Panda magic book. Made from steel and aluminum alloy, it's sturdy, durable, and built to last. The ergonomic handle makes it easy and efficient to use, while the included manual guides you step by step. Perfect as a gift or craft project. You can create badges for holidays, pets, souvenirs, and more. Fun for kids, friends, or family.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends. You can find the product link in the description below. Grab yours today before it's gone. And don't forget to subscribe to Value Techra for more awesome tech reviews, unboxings, and recommendations. See you in the next video.